So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to wrap an image over text here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and just type in wrap over text right here, if you wanted to make sure the image can go over top of the text, it's pretty straightforward. Press the image. Once the image is selected, there's a bunch of different options right here. Wrap text, break text, behind text, etc. We want to go ahead and wrap the image over text here. So make sure that in front of text is selected. So this time, if you were to go ahead and move it, it'll actually go ahead and move the image over. You can also go ahead here and move with text as well. Now you can also go ahead and position options right here and just kind of play around with it that way. So text wrapping right here. So for example, if you want to put the image over top of text right there, your text is still here. The image just goes over top of it just like this. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to wrap an image over text here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.